Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Just want to remind you, our very own flowers created by and for Miss Planet are available now on our Amazon store, as well as a free ebook. So if you would like the free ebook, head on down to the link in the description. It is there for you. So this week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Thetra. And Thetra writes, "Hi Miss Planet, I'm getting married soon and I love African prints. I'm doing this print as a runner on the tables, also on bow ties for our men and the back of the dresses for the bridesmaids." That is so cool. I am in need of a centerpiece for tables that I have. I have 12. I want ferns and birds of paradise flowers. I would love to have your expertise on how to create a smaller centerpiece to go with the 6 large ones that I have already created. Thank you for your help. Well, Thetra, I think this is an excellent idea. I love that you are going with the 2 different dimensions, and it's going to be so easy to do. And I cannot wait to show you this wonderful project for this week, which is our Birds of Paradise wedding centerpiece. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So to create our centerpiece, we're going to use this glass bowl candle holder as well as a green foam block. Simply going to put a nice dollop of hot glue at the bottom of the bowl and place our foam right on top of it, giving it time to dry and set up. Then we're going to surround it with our river rock, surround it all the way up to the very tip top of your foam. So these flowers are often mistakenly called birds of paradise. They're actually called Anthurium blossoms, and so we're going to be using those instead of the birds of paradise. But if you would like the actual birds of paradise, that is also an option. Finally, cover up any of the foam that is still showing with our river pebbles. Well, Thetra, what do you think? It's absolutely stunning. I love the pop of red. It's so beautiful. And I think on those African print table runners that you have selected, it's going to be gorgeous. I so hope you like it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that bell right down there in the corner and you will get a special note from me the very moment the videos are live. You can also send us a comment or ask us a question. We are here for that. And I want you to know that I am the one who answers the questions on our YouTube channel. You don't have to worry. It is me. It is not another one of our members on our team. So you're talking to me. If you would also like to follow us on our social media, that would be fantastic. And those social media platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what are you waiting for? This is the perfect time to sign up for your account because we are all doing a lot of online shopping. It's very simple. Head on down to the description, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. It's that simple. Don't forget to check out our DIY planning guides that are on our store, MissPlanIt shop. Just click over there in the corner. It'll take you right to it. We have some fantastic planning guides. They are all digital downloads, so you do not have to wait for them to arrive in the mail. You can use them immediately, no matter where you are on this beautiful planet Earth. They're going to here to help you from anything from planning a party to being a bridesmaid to planning your own DIY wedding. So be sure to check it out. I would love, love, love to help you further. If you want to hang out some more, head on over to our MissPlanIt website and you can hang out with us exclusively on our MissPlanIt home channel. That is only on our website, and that is where I do projects for my home as well as the home of my family and friends. And we will be starting our new series on spring cleaning and spring projects coming up very soon. So be sure to check it out. We've had an absolute blast hanging out with you. Our time always goes by so fast. Remember, if we can help you with a project, head on down to our link in the description for project requests. Click on it, follow the very easy steps, or go right on over to our website that has so much amazing information because we cannot obviously put everything into our weekly shows. So if you head on over to our website, there's a tab there that says project request. You can click on it and go ahead and follow those easy steps to submit your request. Always do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast. Had an absolute blast hanging out with y'all. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we're just very appreciative that you are spending this time with us. As always, remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless you and yours.